Okay, we are going to start by logging in. I'm going to continue logging in as my sample student so that you can see exactly what I'm going to show you. So you are going to log in with your Skyward email password. Click on the snowflake, and then we already completed activity 1. Here's activity 1.2. So again, we are doing algebra. What algebra means is that there is something that is unknown. We need more information, and so we're going to start off with the basics. When we're doing subtraction, we're really focusing on how many are left, or how many more are they, or how many less are there. So we do that a lot when we talk about graphs and charts. But we can also do that with just equations, okay? So this is going to look, we're going to use this marker tool again, just like last time. And we don't know what A and B are yet. So we're going to go like this. We are going to say A minus B. We don't know what it is yet. Now we are going to choose a number for A and B, okay? So I'm going to choose 4 and 3. Okay, so A is now 4 and B is now 3. So what we're going to do is just subtract these numbers. 4 minus 3 is the same as A minus B, which sounds so silly because we don't always use letters to talk about math, okay? But when we're in algebra and when we're learning algebra things, we are going to use letters and numbers together. So once yours looks like this, you can click onto the next page. Well, now we're going to give it a try. Here we go. Randy is handing out keychains at the safety fair. Randy has 15 keychains to hand out. What you'll notice right here is that Randy is considered A, okay? B, it says he has handed out B keychains so far. So we don't know what that is. So A, we know is 15 because up here it says Randy has 15 keychains. B, we don't have a number for yet. So I'm just going to type in the letter B. That's still unknown. We don't know it. On your screen, you might have this part right here blank, and then you just need to put your own subtraction in right here, like just put your minus sign in. Mine already has it in there, so I don't need to do that part, but yours might. If it has these pencils, that means you can just type in it. So if you want to write, you can, but I would prefer that you use the pencils when they're there because it just looks a lot neater when I look at your work. So now A, we already know, so we can just drop that down to here, 15, because we had it from our last, from up here. So it says Randy has 15 keychains, A is 15, A is 15. That doesn't change, okay? Nothing in that part of our equation changes. This part, however, will change. So it says B, right? Randy has handed out 9 keychains so far. So right here, we're going to change B, and B is now 9 because we know 9. It says right here. So this part of our information we did not have before, and now that we do, we can just enter it in. So instead of B, it's going to be 9. And then we just do our subtraction right here. So 15, take away 9, we're going to put 6. This last one is another good practice. Ryan is setting up traffic cones for safety. Again, we're using subtraction, okay? Ryan must set up A traffic cones. We don't know what A is, so just type in the letter A. You can do uppercase or lowercase. It's still going to say that you completed it correctly. B, he has set up 8 traffic cones so far. So this time we do know B, right? We know that B is 8. If you want, you can put it in both places at the same time, okay? So B is always going to remain the same in this equation. Ryan must set up 12 traffic cones. So we already know that that's going to be A because we didn't know A before. So we're going to put 12 right here. Oops. Hello. There we go. 12 minus 8. So he has to set up 12. He already set up 8. And so now we're figuring out what he has left. So he's going to have 4 left because we're doing this subtraction. 12 minus 8 is 4. When you're finished with this piece, remember to go up to the globe. If you've missed anything, it will tell you that you still have more to complete. And so please make sure that you have all of these areas finished. Otherwise, it's going to tell you that you're not done, and then I'm going to get a notification that you didn't complete your work. So you don't need to click in done when you're finished. Click on this globe and go back to home. And when you're finished with this today, you can click on Unique, and then you can work on these L3 skills, which again is some practice of different skills that I've assigned to you.